What if your computer could actually hear you, see what you see, and speak back? A client sends you a message. You say, "Hey CODEC, take a look at my screen." CODEC sees it. Draft a reply, tell him we are on track. And just like that, it is done. Pasted right into your chat. What if you're stuck on a page and can't find that button? Just ask. CODEC sees your screen with a local vision model, locates the element, and clicks it for you. Introducing CODEC, your open-source intelligent command layer. 50+ skills, 7 products, 1 system, you speak, your computer acts. Every day you copy, paste, switch tabs, type the same thing. Cloud assistants can't help. They can't see your screen, control your apps, or run locally. CODEC can. 7 products, 1 framework. From voice commands to a full AI coding IDE, from smart home control to autonomous agent crews, everything runs on your machine. CODEC Core, always on from your menu bar. F13 to toggle, F18 for voice notes, F16 for text commands, double tap star for screenshots, plus for documents, minus for live chat, and the magic word, draft, give context, CODEC writes and pastes at your cursor. CODEC Dictate, hold command, speak, release. CODEC transcribes and pastes at your cursor, works in any app on your Mac. CODEC Instant, no keyboard, no text, no voice, just one click. Select text, right-click and choose Translate, Proofread, Elevate, or Reply. A Spanish message, one click, translated, works everywhere on your Mac. CODEC Chat, a full conversational AI running on your machine. Long context, reasoning mode, share images and documents. And when you need more, switch to agent mode. 12 specialized crews, deep research for extensive detailed reports, daily briefing, code review, content writer, and more, all local. 0 cloud costs. CODEC Vibe, describe what you want. Watch it build. Live preview in your browser. Point your cursor to select what needs fixing, errors reload automatically. And Skill Forge. Import skills from OpenClaw or any GitHub repo. Forge reformats them into native CODEC skills. CODEC Voice. Get on a call with your AI using voice-to-voice chat. Ask anything. It can screenshot your screen and spot a syntax error in your code. Real conversation, fully local. CODEC can also connect to your Philips Hue lights and webcam. Set the mood from your phone before you get home, or check on your cat through a live feed while you are at work, all from your smartphone, wherever you are. CODEC Overview, your personal dashboard, accessible from any device. Your own domain, Touch ID security, and real-time sync across all your sessions. Setting up CODEC is simple. You need a Mac with Apple Silicon, an LLM model, a transcription model, and a text-to-speech model. Clone the repo, install, and run. That's it. 5 security layers. 0 trust with email login, PIN code, Touch ID, 2-factor authentication, and AES 256 end-to-end encryption in your browser. Hey, where do those commands go? Through someone else's servers. Hey CODEC stays right here. Local transcription. Open source LLM on your Apple Silicon. Local database. Your data stays yours. Your voice, your computer, your rules, no limit. Built by AVA Digital. We speak AI so you don't have to.